Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 1.3. Show that the roots of this whole equation are real and rational for all the values of k. So what is the meaning of that? When the roots are real and rational, when they are rational, it means that the discriminant is a perfect square. So we have to prove that the discriminant of this equation is a perfect square. Once we prove that, then the roots are going to be real and rational. So we have to do that. So we have our equation, which is 3x squared plus k plus 2. X is equal to 1 minus k. Right, we have to write our equation in standard form. Remember, it's ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So everything with x squared must be here, then everything with x must be here, and everything without x must be the c. So we have 3x squared, and then plus k plus 2x, and then we transpose 1 and negative k, we get minus 1 plus k is equal to 0. So what is a? Right, from here we can see that a is equal to 3, and then b is equal to what? This is b is equal to k plus 2, and c is equal to negative 1 plus k. So now let's substitute into our discriminant. Remember, the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So it becomes k plus 2 squared minus 4, and then 3, and then times negative 1 plus k. Right, we expand this using the square binomials. K, that is k squared, then 2 times k times 2 is plus 4k, and then 2 squared, you get 4. Okay, we've expanded that. Let me just show you here. You can do it the long way. This is k plus 2 squared. So k times k is k squared, k times 2 plus 2k, k times 2 plus 2k, then 2 times 2 is plus 4. You get k squared plus 4k plus 4. And then negative 12 minus 1 plus k. Right, let's remove this bracket. K squared plus 4k plus 4 plus 12. Okay, plus 12. Because you're saying negative 12 times negative 1, then minus 12k. And then we simplify this. This is 4. Then we simplify this. We get that this is k squared minus 8k, and then plus 16. If we factorize this, we're going to get a square binomial. But you can do it the normal way. What are the factors of 16 that will give us negative 8? It's negative 4 and negative 4. So you have k minus 4, k minus 4, which is k minus 4 squared. So we've seen that the discriminant is a perfect square because it's k minus 4 squared. So therefore, b squared minus 4ac is a perfect square. The discriminant is a perfect square. Therefore, roots are real and rational.